Dancehall superstar Vybz Kartel and his co-accused have been freed. This major decision came down just today from the Court of Appeal in Jamaica. Back in September 2011, Vybz Kartel, real name Adidja Palmer, and his associates Sean Storm Campbell, Kahira Jones, and Andre St. John were convicted of the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. After a failed appeal in 2020, their case was taken to the UK-based Privy Council. On March 14, 2024, the Privy Council overturned their murder convictions due to juror misconduct. Today, the Jamaica Court of Appeal decided not to retry them. Justices Marva MacDonald Bishop, Paulette Williams, and David Fraser ruled unanimously. Free World Boss is now a reality. What are your thoughts on this groundbreaking ruling? Do you think justice was served? Let us know in the comments and be sure to follow us and hit the like button.